Hello guys, today we have brought here a new and interesting topic of doing the main engine blow through. This video will be comprising of the small process and steps, so please watch the steps carefully, and while conducting the blow through you can refer to this video safely, and we now are going to discuss how to do the main engine blow through. The main engine is usually in this top position is in the control room or the ECR control, and before doing the main engine blow through we have to make the turning gear disengaged, and then main starting gear valve to be open, starting gear distributor valve to be open. Also make sure the engine room supply to the main engine on the turbocharger is open. The fan are started. Also keep running the main air compressor, because the during the blow through the air will be consumed during the blow through process. So always start the main air compressor before, and keep the air bottle pressed up. We have to make sure that the indicator cocks of the main engine are open. We go to the indicator cocks and do it clockwise so that it opens the indicator cocks. Now in the control panel we see that the changeover position is in the control room. Okay, make sure it is in the control room. Then we have to start the both generators. 2 generators at least should be taken in the load already, so make sure the 2 generators are already on load. Now going back to the console, we are going to start the auxiliary blowers from stop to auto. Okay, we have to make the knob from stop to auto. Next, coming to the telegraph, so we have to do the telegraph from stop to dead slow. Okay, after doing that we reach to give the kick for the main engine blow through. This is the most essential part, so we do it by stop to start for 2 seconds, and during this process we bring it back to the stop. In these 2 seconds the blow through of the main engine will be done, so you can hear the noise for 2 seconds from the main engine. Okay, now after this is done we bring the telegraph from dead slow to stop. After confirming there is no water coming from the indicator cocks, we have to close all the indicator cocks of the main engine by anti-clockwise rotating the indicator cocks by the lever, so it will close the indicator cocks. Okay, and then coming back to the control room, we are going to give the control to the bridge, so change the knob from control room. So guys, I hope we all have understood how to do the blow through of the main engine safely. If you are not confident, always take the help from the seniors while doing the blow through, because the main engine is very essential for the propulsion of the ship. So see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.